Click on the link below to get price. The shed's outdoor storage with durable metal frame and wooden floor is a solid investment for anyone seeking a reliable and aesthetically pleasing storage solution for their garden tools, outdoor equipment, or seasonal belongings. Upon unboxing, the quality of materials is immediately evident. The metal frame feels robust and sturdy, ensuring that the shed can withstand various weather conditions without bending or warping. The thoughtful design features a galvanized steel exterior that is resistant to rust and corrosion, which is particularly beneficial for those in humid or rainy climates. The wooden floor adds an element of charm while also providing a solid foundation for your items. Unlike plastic storage options, which can crack over time, the wooden floor offers durability and a touch of rustic elegance. Assembly was straightforward, thanks to clear instructions and well-labeled parts. It took a few hours to complete, but the process was manageable with minimal tools required. Inside, the shed boasts ample space. Its generous dimensions allow for organized storage of larger items such as lawn mowers or bicycles, as well as smaller tools and garden supplies. The dual doors open wide, providing easy access and making it convenient to load and unload items without hassle. The ventilation system is another thoughtful addition. It allows air circulation, minimizing moisture buildup that could lead to mildew. One downside is that the shed lacks built-in shelves, which means additional organization solutions may be needed for smaller items. However, this can easily be remedied with the addition of pre-made shelving units. Overall, the shed's outdoor storage with durable metal frame and wooden floor strikes a fine balance between functionality and style, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor storage capabilities. The combination of durability, aesthetic appeal, and practicality makes this shed a commendable addition to any garden or outdoor space.